Hey y'all, hope you're having a nice day today. We are going to be installing a shade cover or shade cloth on top of our greenhouse. We've had this for a while, we just haven't gotten around to putting it on. This is our cattle panel greenhouse, and we purchased this off of Amazon, and I'll show you real quick what it is that we've got. Okay, it's actually been in the greenhouse, so it's kind of faded here. But just a shade cloth, and we're going to cut it open. I'm going to let Russell cut it open here for us, and we'll see real quick what we've got here in the bag. And we're just going to lay it over the top of the greenhouse because we've got a lot of things that we're trying to propagate right now under the misting system, and they do not need to be in direct sun. And we do have some shade cloth on top of our tables inside, but the sun is still getting in on the sides of the greenhouse, so I just feel like this might be a better solution. And having this thing installed, we've got it, we might as well put it on. And this is the cattle panel greenhouse that we're talking about here. Okay, I got it opened up, and I wanted to show you that this is actually, you can see how the corners are done. So it's not just shade cloth, and you've gotten some stitching around the edges. So hopefully this will hold up for a little while, if not for a couple of years maybe, hopefully. And then you've got grommets where you can actually tie it down if you'd rather tie it than put it in your wiggle wire. We're not real sure what we're going to do yet, but I did find the label that says it is a 20 by 20. And so again, not going to cover our entire greenhouse for sure, but it's going to get the job done. Okay, so it is actually 50% shade cloth, and we're not gonna wiggle wire it in all the way around. We're just kind of tacking it in place, or putting it in place, because obviously, like I said, it's gonna come off. Let me show you over here on the other side. It went down further on the other side of the greenhouse. We did that on purpose, so you can see it goes all the way to the ground, and covers the majority of the greenhouse. I think the greenhouse is 20 something feet long, and this is a 20 by 20. So again, covered a lot of the area, and we'll take you inside and show you the difference that it makes. A substantial difference. You may not be able to see it on camera, but it really does make a difference. Let me go down here where it's not covered, and you can see probably the difference on it just looking at the light. So you can see the difference in the two. Big difference there. So that will help all of our seedlings, or not seedlings, but our starts here, because like I said, we just had the shade cloth on top, or I guess it's more like a screen cloth, and that really wasn't doing the job fully because the sun was coming in on the sides. So this is going to help tremendously. And like I said, we got this off of Amazon. It's a 20 by 20, and it's 50% shade cloth. You can get different percentages. I don't even know what the highest one is, but we went with the 50, and hopefully that will work for us. And like I said, maybe we can get a couple of seasons out of it. And let me show you the material up close in case you're interested what it looks like. It really is kind of just a mesh, kind of a plastic type thing. So water will obviously go through it, but we have it on the greenhouse, so that's not what we're worried about. But if you were just doing a shade structure out on some posts, this would work great because it does let the air flow and it does let water come through as well. Hope you all have a blessed day and a great weekend. And thank you for watching, and make sure and click that like, subscribe, and that bell notification button. It's all free, and we would love to share our next videos with you all. So make sure and click that and you'll get a notification the next time we load a new video. Thanks and have a blessed day.